Let's define budget. It doesn't mean cheapest possible. In the ATV world, cheap is almost always expensive. A budget buy is a value buy. It's a machine where you sacrifice the absolute peak of luxury or performance to get 90% of the capability for 50% of the price, with legendary reliability to protect your investment. For 2026, with economic uncertainty, a smart budget buy is your best defense. It's about finding proven platforms, often on the used market, that have already taken their massive depreciation hit but have decades of life left. These are the 7 budget ATVs, new or used, that you can buy next year with absolute confidence, knowing you've made a smart, regret-proof decision. Number 7. The Unkillable Beginner, Kawasaki Brute Force 300. For the absolute entry-level budget where every dollar counts, the air-cooled Kawasaki Brute Force 300 is a timeless fortress of simplicity. You're looking at models from the early 2000s to the mid-2010s. Its single-cylinder engine has no radiators to puncture, no complex fuel injection. It's a tractor. It will start, run, and work with minimal fuss. The 4WD system is basic, manual, and tough. It's slow, it's not glamorous, but its total cost of ownership approaches zero. For checking fences, light trail riding, or a first machine for a property, spending $1,500 to $2,500 on a clean used Brute Force 300 isn't a purchase. It's an investment in a tool that will outlast your interest in selling it. Number 6. The Modern Budget Disruptor, CF Moto C-Force 500 New. For your budget allows for new and you want modern features without the $12,000 price tag, the new C-Force 500 is the market's biggest wake-up call. For well under $10,000, you get a fuel-injected twin-cylinder engine, a full digital display, independent suspension, and a proper 4WD system. You're getting specs that rival Japanese models costing thousands more. CF Moto's improving dealer network and strong warranty back it up. The budget here isn't about cutting corners, it's about bypassing the traditional brand premium. It's proof you can have a capable modern ATV without a devastating monthly payment. Number 5. The Sweet Spot Used Performer, Polaris Sportsman 450 HO Used, 2015 to 2020. The used market is flooded with these, and that's your advantage. The Sportsman 450 HO from the 2010s represents the perfected formula of the mid-size utility quad. It has the excellent Polaris on-demand AWD, the comfortable independent rear suspension, and a smooth, reliable engine. Because so many were sold, parts are everywhere and cheap. You can find a clean, well-maintained example with low hours for $4,000 to $6,000. You're getting 90% of the capability of a new $10,000 machine for half the price, and all the major service issues and quirks of this platform are well documented and easy to fix. It's the used market's blue chip stock. Number 4. The Refined Affordable Workhorse, Suzuki King Quad 500 Used. The Suzuki King Quad 500 is the quiet aristocrat of the budget world. Often overlooked in favor of louder brands, used models offer staggering value. They are renowned for having the smoothest transmission in the business, a torquey and ultra-reliable engine, and exceptional build quality. A 10-year-old King Quad 500 that's been cared for will ride and feel better than many newer competitors. They depreciate significantly, landing you a premium-feeling, incredibly capable machine for a mid-size budget. For the rider who values refinement and durability over flash, a used King Quad is a secret cheat code. Number 3. The Buy It for Life bargain, Honda 4Trax 4x4 Used SE model. This is the bedrock. A used Honda 4Trax 4x4 with the electric shift SE option is as close to a perpetual motion machine as ATVs get. Look for models from the late 2000s to mid-2010s. The ES gives you easy push-button shifting without a clutch, while the legendary mechanical 4WD and shaft drive provide unstoppable traction with almost zero maintenance. These machines simply do not die. They are often owned by older riders who maintained them meticulously. For $4,000 to $7,000, you aren't buying an ATV, you're buying a 15-year partnership with a machine that will start every time and ask for nothing but oil and gas. The regret-proof nature of this purchase is absolute. Number 2. The Intelligent Value King,
Yamaha Kodiak 450 used. The used Yamaha Kodiak 450 embodies intelligent budgeting. You're buying into the brilliance of the Ultramatic transmission, durable, seamless, and featuring that crucial engine braking for safety. It's a mid-size machine, so it's manageable, fuel-efficient, and often cheaper to insure than larger models. Used Kodiak 450s hold their value well for a reason, but you can still find great examples from the last decade within a tight budget. You're paying for sophisticated engineering that reduces owner effort and worry at a price that reflects its sensible size rather than its premium brains. Number 1. The ultimate no-regret budget buy. Honda 4Trax Rancher used any year. This is the number 1 spot to the machine that defines the category, the used Honda Rancher. It is the absolute sweet spot of the ATV universe. You have choices. Find a bulletproof carbureted 300/350 from the early 2000s for under $3,000, or a fuel-injected 420 with electric shift SE from the 2010s for $5,000 to $7,000. Every version shares the core virtues: legendary Honda reliability, a perfect balance of size and power, a comfortable ride, and an unmatched reputation for longevity. Parts are ubiquitous and affordable. Every single problem it could ever have has been solved on online forums. It is capable enough for serious trail riding and light work, yet simple and forgiving enough for a new rider. When it comes time to sell, it will have retained its value better than anything else on this list. Buying a clean used Rancher isn't a gamble, it's a rite of passage. It's the one budget ATV that guarantees with near certainty that your only regret will be not buying one sooner.
In 2026, with financial pressures all around, making a smart purchase is more critical than ever. Don't see a budget as a limitation, see it as a filter. It pushes you away from flashy, depreciating liabilities and toward honest, durable value. It leads you to these proven platforms. Whether you find it on a used lot or a dealership floor, the right budget ATV isn't the one that saves you $1,000 up front. It's the one that saves you $10,000 in headaches, downtime, and regret over the next decade. That's the math that truly matters. Choose one of these 7, and you're not just buying a machine, you're buying confidence. You're buying your weekends back. You're buying into a legacy of riders who prioritized adventure over debt. That's a purchase you will never, ever look back on with anything but a smile. If this guide helped you find a path to ownership without the panic, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world buying advice. Now, we need to know, which of these budget champions are you targeting for 2026? Tell us your plan in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail, without a mountain of payments holding you back.